So now we're going to take a little bit of a look at one of the risers off of our latest Far East pack, and I'm going to press play and talk a little bit more about how it was created. Alright, so the goal of the riser is to create this constant move of tension and this building sort of feeling and then just cut it off. So whether you're going to cut to black at the end of a riser or whether you're going to use this to build up into a fresh song, it can be used in all sorts of different ways. But I want to talk to you a little bit about how I came up with this one specifically. Now, I started with this sort of vocal loop that was run through a bit of a megaphone that gave this kind of sound. And for me, it had this bit of a zest that I liked. It kind of put me in a world already. And although that was cool, I really liked this sitar sound. Immediately when I hear that, I can start to see so many different possibilities for what kind of footage can go over that. And I love the mix of those two things together. So besides those two instruments, everything else in this riser is percussive. You have these drum hits, you have this shaker that's a little bit off time to keep it from feeling like a song too much. And then you have these rim hits and these drum rolls going, and they kind of sound like this. So I feel like having a bit of a percussive element just makes the riser a little more interesting, a little more cool, I guess. And so when you put it all together, I feel like you have a really unique way to start an edit or move to a new sequence in your edit or even end off an edit. And there you have it, a look into one of the risers of our latest sound.